Hey guys, we're Keely and Philly from Chapter by Chapter. Welcome to our series where we're travelling around Spain in our beautiful home on wheels. In today's episode, you're going to get to see not only city hopping, but also some serious van disasters. Welcome to episode 2. So in last week's video, we left you guys off in Cabell, where we'd spent a lot of time climbing. So now we packed up Martha. Ugh, that's meant to look like a van. That's terrible. But we took Martha on the road all the way to Bilbao to enjoy a little bit of time in the city. Well,
whoa! Look at this thing.
Bicyclist extraordinaire.
Cyclist maybe? Check this.
And
love it.
yeah, it's gonna have a wee city there. Looking forward to it.
You're not on the psychopath. You're gonna get fined.
I can feel it in my veins. Hands in the sky. I can feel the winds of.
Show us your scoot skills.
You live and you learn.
Skills.
Did I tell you how much I love my scooter? Hello.
I was down, but things are looking up. I wanna get high on you, caught by surprise by you. Want you to make my heart feel as much as I know it should. I wanna get high on.
Bye. Gonna get over by bus.
Want you to make my heart feel as much as I.
Captain Yellow Bag. Always have to get Keely these brightly coloured things so I can't lose her.
Things turn around. Didn't ever think they could.
Go on, drop some knowledge on me. What is this place?
La puerta grande principal es igual tenéis abierta.
Ah.
Lo demás está cerrado. Porque se meten los críos y no hacen más escándalo. Así que.
Mi español muy poco.
Ah, sabes poco español y yo no sé lo tuyo. O sea que estamos igual, ¿eh? Yo, por ejemplo, el español sí, el euskera también, pero otra cosa no.
Sí.
Cada uno donde vivimos. Yo vivo en Euskadi, pues tú donde vives.
Lo siento, estoy aprendiendo muy poco.
Ya aprenderás, no te preocupes, ya verás cómo aprendes. Tú todo el día aprendes por aquí, desde hace tiempo. Mira, ya he aprendido, ¿eh?
Vaya. Adiós, gracias.
Oh, better
I
back
have
than
no
that.
idea what was happening then, but I think she was trying to teach us about it.
She was.
Did you get that on camera?
Yeah.
We'll go home and translate it. Oh,
She was trying to traffic you.
I think she was trying to explain something to me.
No, I thought she was trying to distract you, and her old cronies are going to come and abduct you.
Do we know anyone that speaks Spanish we can send that
I'm
to?
going to have to give Uncle Liam a call, tell him that another person's been taken.
I will find you. And I will kill you.
I want to know what she was saying.
Okay, you can translate it.
I heard like 3 words.
A key. It's like, obviously, if you want to get in, you have to use a key.
Oh, I really want to know what she was saying. Okay, we're gonna figure this out. Insert subtitle. Thank you so much to all the people that we reached out on Instagram and helped us translate that, which turned out to be a really beautiful moment between us and this little lady. So grateful for all the positive experiences we've had so far in Spain and really looking forward to exploring more.
This thing is so cool. well, and we drove it a van across the coastline, and it came down here. It was really nice. Such nice views over.
I nearly fell off. Yeah, it was
Probably
beautiful.
go back up there.
I see the sun coming. That grass is looking green. Martha is. Where's my finger? Here. There she is.
This is a great spot. It's so lovely.
Yeah.
Obviously, right now, I'm sure the camera doesn't pick it up, but when the sun's out, the water's blue, and it's just like a nice little, almost private lagoon.
Yeah, we've come out just after a storm, so it's looking a bit floody right now, but it was divine earlier. So we'll come out for a swim tomorrow when the sun's out, and we'll hopefully get it. I just wanted to point to this mountain. Not your head!
Yeah, I'm a mountain.
This mountain up behind Martha. I'm gonna kill you. Oh my word, you're so triggering me right now. What about the mountain? It looks like, I mean, you can't really see it. I don't know if I could zoom in this post. You know, zoom. But it looks cool. We're like, whoa, we could like climb that. It's all got weird walls on it. It looks so awesome.
It's like tiered cliffs.
And then I was like, whoa, that's a big thunderbolt or whatever earlier. And
Thunderbolt.
Then I looked out and it wasn't a big crack of thunder. It was an explosion, and they were like bombing the quarry rocks off or something.
Dust everywhere.
We were like, lucky we didn't sneak up there after all. I really hate you. He did this yesterday. I was taking a sound bite of the waves and he farted on it.
Insert sound clip.
You're so annoying. Honestly, he can't flip and help himself. And then he makes me watch the clip like 50 billion times on repeat, and he giggles every time.
It's comedic timing.
It's rage inducing, that's what it is. It is safe to say that our van door is not fixed. I've had to take this off. This here was, I'm not even trying to play with it now, beautifully displayed up here. And basically this mad torrential storm, which you probably can't even hear me over, decimated the seal in this van. It obviously wasn't fixed, but look at this. I've had to create a funnel out of metal tin foil to try and guide it into this pot. I literally just emptied this pot and it's got like 4 new inches of water. There's water splashing everywhere. That was lightning. Fun times, eh?
Yeah, it's kind of dying down now, but it was the most rain I've ever seen. It was like a river just running down the front of our windscreen.
Yeah, like you literally couldn't see past the rain.
Oh, there's some lightning.
We should just set the GoPro out.
What are you up to?
Well, I'm trying my best to cut this tape into 20-meter wide strips to stick on this piece of metal guttering.
Yeah, because our door is still a little bit kinked at the top corner, so it just doesn't sit against the seal properly. So I have got the hammer and tried to knock that seal out a little bit, and it's pretty much all the way there. But we got this little lip. Shout out to Van Solo. He gave us that. What a kind gentleman. And that's just to stick along the top here, just to stop any water just from running into the crack between the roof and the door. Seems to be a storm going over for the next week pretty much.
Yeah, like I took it on video yesterday, but I don't know if you could really see it properly, but literally it was streaming through, like streaming.
What's this hairdo? It's like some sort of front bun.
It's just fallen forward. It was back here before. Oh, it's fell forward again. I am...
The reason that I drink.
I am the reason you wake up every day. I just guess it's so hard to cut them the same width. That was shit. I just feel the pressure that turned the camera on, the mind pressure.
Watching this is stressing me out.
I keep sticking to the scissors.
Keely's stressing me out here. She's like trying to cut the tape in half with scissors, so she's pulling the scissors and pulling the tape apart and pulling a pair of open scissors towards your face. So casually.
Yeah.
What the
That was a joke, that one wasn't real. Alright, amigo, double-sided tape done. I can't get it to come off.
Come on, Keely.
Come on, we're in a race.
It's about to rain.
We're in a race against the rain clouds.
It's about to rain.
Oh, think I've got it. Oh, think I've got it. Oh, think I've got it.
What you haven't got is hair sense. What is going on here?
Ignore my hair and focus on this situation. Seriously, I've got it off.
Okay, we'll take this. Go outside.
Okay. What's wrong with his hair?
What's right with that hair? Okay, so obviously to the right to the lip here, right?
Yeah, right to the edge of the solder. It's literally just started to rain on me.
And we're going about there.
Yeah.
Is that straight?
Just hurry up and do it. Started to rain.
Is it straight?
It literally looks fine to me as long as it's at the bottom. It's raining right now. Just stick it on. It looks, I don't know if it's straight.
Stand back in front of it straight.
It looks straight. I don't know what more you want from me. Why didn't you put it the whole way down? I thought we agreed to put it right at the bottom.
You're not telling me that right now. It irks me that you said after I've stuck it on, after I've asked you.
No, you asked me if it was straight filly, right? So I presume that if you wanted it low down, you would have put it level with the edge. So I assumed you decided to put it higher. Oh God, something wrong with the door again.
Why is it raining down here? Like, you know?
I absolutely hate this door with a passion. The main thing was to try and catch any rain running off the roof, wasn't it? Are you about to do a trial run with somewhat? I thought so.
For science?
Kind of went over the metal solder and down the side, didn't it? Oh, but then lots of it's also running in down the crack. So it's kind of 50-50.
I think it's just going to run down here.
And the inside of that seal works. Okay, so this might help. This might work. What do you think? Because I ain't touching that bloody door.
Let's cross everything on our body.
Just also want to say, you know, people should watch back this camera, ignoring my hair, just to look at how sexy your shoulders were when you were holding that rod thing up.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, like, I'm going to go back and watch that.
Holding my rod.
Okay, and on that note, chin chin.
Close your eyes, get out of your skin. All it is matters, let it in. If I could, I would be right here with you. In this world of ticking clocks, I hope I'm getting through. So close your eyes. Do you feel the same?
Oh, that's a crumbly rock.
Yeah, exactly. That's over the top of your head.
I thought you were being sarcastic.
No.
Because, like, I didn't think you'd let me crawl out of somewhere that had potential for rocks to crumble on my head. Yet here we are.
So,
Mama, help me down here.
you think that's a bit crawly? Dude, you should have been in that.
The lights are out and heaven's open. We can be everything we want. Oh,
And that signifies.
stop the clocks, the bees are humming in between the contrasts of our souls.
Hello.
Hi.
What are you up to?
I'm just really enjoying a wee day out videoing. We are, I don't know, somewhere in the north coast of Spain. Yeah.
And tell me about this.
This is an old bridge. And,
Interesting.
yeah, they gave up on it. I don't know why. I think this was to do with like, I can't remember. I remember reading about it. Something to do with stuff out in the sea, and that bridge was to like do stuff with it.
Insightful.
Yeah. Like, I'll show you some clips from earlier where it started to rain on our drone and then we couldn't get it landed and there were loads of cars. And now the sun's out and it's gorgeous and I'm having a real wee day. I just want to go for a swim.
Yeah, let's go.
Can we go?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Get out of your skin. All it is matters.
We have to say, even with all the disasters and stormy weather we've experienced, we are absolutely loving van life on the road. It's so different from our experience of living in London, and we're so happy that we get to travel around Spain in this beautiful van and enjoy this beautiful country. From the little old lady trying to help us to all the people talking to us around the beach, we just couldn't be happier to be here and can't wait to bring you guys on our next episode where we journey some more. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you next week.